And from the default, you cannot do split screen on Mac, but you can use split screen on Mac by using an external application called Rectangle right there. You can easily install this application. You can easily download it from the internet, but now I'm just going to show you how this application works on splitting screens. Don't mind the settings of the app. You can just use the app very easily. You can just drag it to the left, drag it to the right, drag it to the top, drag it to the bottom, just like how you would on Windows. You can also use shortcut on your keyboard though, but if you don't want to memorize the shortcut, you can just drag it to the left and to the right there, and then you can just resize it to however you want. How to download it? You just use search rectangle and MacBook, and then it will shows up on at the top of the search list, and then you can just download it and install it like how you install any other application. And there you go.